Okay, in this lecture, we would explore that how we can use the Chat GPT for the blogging purpose. How even we could start the blogging using the Chat GPT. So basically, I'm the technical blogger, and I do the regular blogging whenever I get the time. So basically, I would say that when I started using the Chat GPT. Moreover, it's not something that I'm using the full Chat GPT content uh, for my blogging, but uh, it helps me out to structure the content, to give me the ideas that how I can work in more better way, surround my niche, the blogging niche, and what are something else I could add to my content that's even more SEO friendly and could help me out to even to outrank into the Google. So or even to write down the content in more formalized way using the chat gpt. So let's start exploring that. We would start with very basic ideas for blogging, how we can use it, and till what extent we could extend the use of chat gpt to the blogging and to the social branding for your multiple social channel accounts. Okay. So even on the this homepage of ChatGPT, what it is showing to us that these are the examples that what you can ask to ChatGPT. What are the capabilities of ChatGPT? This is the very good thing of ChatGPT that it remembers what you say in any chat to it, and later on just surround to that it would answer to you for those particular queries. Even it allows you being the user to provide the follow-up corrections somewhere on any particular step if you see that it's not the right answer as of now. So basically let me give one example for that. So as you know that ChatGPT works on the data which is available till 2021, but later on there are some corrections or there are some adds on feature uh, to to that particular thing. And now if you would be asking to chat gpt, and might be it would be saying to you no, it's this particular feature is not available on this thing, but you know that that's the wrong information, and you provide the correct information to ChatGPT from the internet, and it would understand that, it would learn that, and the next time it would be providing the answer surrounding to that information to you. So that's the one very you can say that's the beauty of ChatGPT when you are using it uh, for even any use case to you. The same way it is trained to decline the inappropriate request done by users from the backend. And if we see the limitations, so here, so as it's mentioned here, sometime it could generate the incorrect information. So the one thing that you always need to keep in mind whenever you are using any AI model or even the chat gpt, you are the proofreader. You need to do that on every step and every time. Wherever you would be missing that the proofreading, that would be the incorrect information you would say. You always need to verify the information before sharing that publicly. And as I told many times till now, that it works on the basis of knowledge of the world that is till 2021. Okay. So now let's start the basic chat GPT here. Only the thing, there are very limited options on this particular UI, but there is something that you can start the new chat, like you are doing the chat or you are interacting with ChatGPT on any particular topic, later on you are just changing your topic, you can use the another one, a chat, just to interact again with the ChatGPT. That would help you out later on, to like to having your data in the different chat for the different topics. Okay, so let's start it. So I would be taking one example here, and let's see how the chat GPT can help you out to generating the blogging content. Okay, let me ask it to write the one blog on a topic for me. I have inputted to it, and let's see that how it generates the information to me. So it's just included the intro part, uh, just the summarized intro part for the 5G technology, and now it's just providing the key features of 5G. So sometimes you see that ChatGPT is bit slow to generate the content. So there are the lot of loads on the ChatGPT servers, cause as of now it is free and everybody is trying to use it on the full extent for their specific use cases. The guys who are working in the blogging, or who are creating the contents in any format, kind of any courses or something, and even the users who just listen about it and they want to explore that how the chat gpt works. So that's why it's a bit uh, slow. And as of now, in the recent announcement from the OpenAI, they are going to bring the paid version of ChatGPT, where the users who are the paid users won't be seeing this lagging on the content generation. It would be very smooth. So that's the one, the feature the paid users would get. They would get the priority queue for generating their content. Okay, let's come back here, and if we see that, for me it has wrote down the article on the introduction to 5G technology, where it has included the intro. That's very good. And then the key features of 5G and application of 5G technologies. And even it has summarized the uh, this article for me. So that's something the a very basic use case in blogging of the ChatGPT. Now, in the further sections, we would see that how we can tweak out the things according to us, how we could include the more information here, or even we could ask to generate the more precise information. Or as I'm the technical guy, I need information more on the technical side to include into my article. So I just need to give the good prompt to generate the this particular blog again for me. And we would see that how the content difference would come here if I change my prompt for this, for creating that particular blog for me. Let me do one thing. I would be saying, please help on writing the blog on this using the heading, subheading, 5G dangers, 5G characteristics, and 5G dangers and the 5G characteristics. So let's try this time that what would the difference on what would be the difference in the content. So even in the intro, like a section we discussed that it's moreover a kind of a prompt a prompt based model where whatever kind of prompt you would be providing to it, the same way it is going to provide you the content. So now you see it has provided us intro, then the characteristics, and let's see what more information it's adding here. So I asked it to add the 5G dangers, the one particular subtopic here, and it's doing that, and the characteristics. So that I asked and it provided to me. So it's kind of the basic tweaks you can do to write your blog uh, for yourself. Apart from that, if there is something that you want to add from your side, you see this information is limited or it's not adding any specific kind of information here, then what you can do, simply if there is something I say that I want to add from here, from the Google, that uh, I want to add some information from Google, or upon that it could add some more information to my content. You can do that. Is 5G making you sick? Here what experts say. So I would make more weight to my content by adding the some other information from the Google or from from other sources that I want to see into my content. I want to add this information as well here. I say just please add this information as well to my content. Include these health concerns as well to above blog. And you would be seeing this information would be merged to your above blog, and it would bringing the more weightage or the more researched content, or even you say, as we know that it's having just the content till 2021, so it would be adding the more precise information or the latest information uh, in the recent year. That's for that the data isn't into the chat gpt database. Even if you see here that it started adding that some experts have raised concerns about the potential health risk associated with this as per this report it is something this. So you see moreover, what kind of information I'm providing to this one, it would be adding that, that's the one use case of this one. Even it's mentioned over the home page that even it's learned from us, from our inputs. And you see that how uh, properly it has merged that information we have provided as an input here. And uh, so that's something on the very basic side, that you can use the chat gpt for the blogging purpose. In the next section we would see that how we can provide our own prompt to chat gpt to for the advanced blogging purpose, or for creating the content for even the social, for other social media channels. As of now, thanks for now, and we would continue in the next section. Thank you.